Buongiorno, welcome back to another video, y'all. Today I have this one problem, that has these very weird terms in it, but that is okay. Just think of them. So before I start explaining the problem, we're going to identify cumquare as K and wasits as W. So I'm going to highlight wasits. Wasits green are W. Cumquare highlighted yellow are, K. Just to make my defining easier, because I really don't want to pronounce that all video. Anyways, in Slurfball, a fizzle is worth 2 points and a globo is worth 5 points. Cumquare in the Wasits recently played for the Intergalactic Slurfball Championship. During the game, Cumquare scored 8 more fizzles, okay, a bit of a typo, but still, than the Wasits, but scored 5 fewer globos than the Wasits. Together, the two teams scored 93 points total. What was the final score? So I'm going to give y'all a second to comprehend that. You can pause the video if you want, because that was a lot of information in just one go. Yeah. So, if Cumquare scored 8 more fizzles than the Wasits, that means that they scored, since each fizzle is worth 2 points, that means that they scored 16 points with those 8 fizzles. But they scored 5 fewer globos, and since a globo is worth 5 points, that means that they scored 25 less points. So then if they scored 16 more but 25 less, that means that they in total scored 9 less points than the Wasits. But that doesn't really do anything, you might ask. He's like, but how does that find out what the final score was? Just basically asking, respectively, what Cumquare and Wasits got. So, let's define, you can define Cumquare or Wasits. I'm going to do each one in this video anyway. But let's define Wasits first. So Wasits, if we define Cumquare by Wasits, it would be Wasits minus 9. And we know that Cumquare and Wasits together got 93 points. So this means that Wasits, which is the W by itself, plus Wasits minus 9, which is equivalent to Cumquare, is equivalent to 93. And this is the Wasits solving if we define the Wasits. So if we solve this, we're going to get 2W minus 9 equals 93. 2W equals 102. W equals 51. And this is how you solve the Wasits. And when you get the Wasits, you can also solve for the Cumquare by minusing 9. So Wasits would be equivalent to 51. And Cumquare, if you minus 9, so minus 1, you get 50, minus 8, so you get 42. But you might ask, how, since you said you were going to solve it in the Cumquare anyway, how do you solve it in the Cumquare? Well, it's basically the same thing, but we can define Wasits with Cumquare terms as Cumquare plus 9. So the Cumquare itself is a K, plus a Cumquare plus 9, which is equivalent to the Wasits. And then you would get 93 as well. So 2K plus 9 equals 93. So then you minus 9, you get 90 minus 6, which is 84. So 2K equals 84. K equals 42. So as you can see, we get the same result from each of these, because if you try to solve for the Wasits using the Cumquares as well, 42 plus 9 is also 51. So you get the same either way. But you just need to know how to define the terms and really just work out the word problem. So yeah, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you guys learned something new. I was talking a little bit fast, but you can always rewatch the video if you want to. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye! Where do I draw a smiley face? I draw a smiley face here.